Hey guys, Windwalker95 here, and today I will be showing you how to install a graphics card. First of all, I'll be telling you what you will need. A Phillips head screwdriver, anti-static wrist strap is recommended. Click in description for link. They only cost a few dollars. I really do recommend it. This can save your computer from getting electrocuted, and that means your whole computer will just break. You don't want that. A computer with a capable power supply, a motherboard that the card will fit into, a PCI Express slot, 4X or higher, preferably a 16X, and of course your graphics card. Now these are the other steps you will need to follow to install your graphics card. Turn power off at the wall and /or at the power supply. Unplug your monitor from the back of your computer. Remove side panel, make sure it's the left side. Put on anti-static wrist strap, clip onto computer case. If your graphics card needs extra power, unplug cables by pressing on the tabs. This graphics card I have got uses cables, so I'll be doing this step. Unlock PCI Express lock by pressing down this tab. Unscrew graphics card. Pull out your new graphics card. Don't pull too hard because it should come out fairly easily. Place your card in a safe place. Take out new graphics card. Ensure to remove any plastic covers. Place your card into your computer in the same orientation. You should feel it secure and hear a small click. Once installed, you should see a circuit board or a metal plate, and if you have fans, they should be facing downwards. If your motherboard is upside down with the processor down the bottom, you should see the fans at the top. Place your old graphics card inside the bag the new one came with. Screw in your graphics card. Plug in power connectors if needed. Unclip and take off your anti-static wrist strap. Plug in monitor cable to the back. Reconnect power to the wall and /or to the power supply. Start computer. It should post. When I mean post, it should show a familiar image on screen, like mine here says gigabyte. Yours may say HP, or it may just start up with Windows. Slide your side panel on. Screw it up with your hands preferably. This will make it easier next time you need to access inside. You have successfully installed your graphics card. Good job on you. High five.